Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English by Speaking. I am Inaobi Sagolsem. I am a teacher by profession. Today I want to share about how to learn English by speaking. Okay, let me talk about it. Learning English can be divided into three levels: the beginner levels, the intermediate level, and the advanced level. Let's first understand what the beginner level of learning English is. The beginner level is the foundation stage. At this stage, the main goal is to understand basic English, build vocabulary, and gain confidence to speak. The common challenge at this level include the fear of speaking, limited vocabulary, and hesitation. But we must overcome these challenges if we want to speak English fluently and confidently. Now, let's talk about the next level of learning English, the intermediate level. The intermediate level is the expression stage. The goal is to form correct sentence, improve fluency, and speak confidently on general topics. Some common challenges at this level include making grammar mistakes and struggling to find the right vocabulary and feeling nervous while speaking. Okay, now lastly we have the advanced level of English speaking. This is the mastery and articulation stage. At this stage, the goals are to think in English and express deeper thoughts clearly and naturally. The common challenges here include mastering accent, using high level vocabulary, and improving articulation. And the next, but today I want to focus on the beginner level of learning English speaking because it is the foundation of the entire journey. The goal of this stage, so we do what we need to do. We need to write in English every day. We need to read English books regularly. We need to speak English every day, even if we make mistakes. We need to learn and recall more vocabulary to overcome the problems of limited word choice. We need to practice speaking for at least 5 minutes every day to overcome the fear of speaking and to build confidence. Here is a common and simple self-introduction suitable for many situations, especially for beginners in English. For example, for greeting purpose, we can say like this: when we see other people, friends, or any relatives, any friends, circles, we can say when we see to them, "Hello, my name is Sunita. I'm from Manipur, India. I'm 22 years old. I'm a PhD student. I like reading fiction and non-fiction books. I love learning English speaking. I'm learning English to speak confidently. Nice to meet you. Here are some simple and common greetings in English. Formal greetings. Good morning according to the time and the place. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? Nice to meet you. These words or sentences is used when we greet them. Informal greetings. Hi, hello, hey, what's up? How is going? How's it going? That means how is it going? Here is a simple daily routine in English, perfect for beginners. My daily routines say you can speak like this. I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a bath. But then I get ready and eat my breakfast. I go to school or work at 8 a.m. I study classes until afternoon. I study classes until afternoon. I come back home at 3 p.m. and take some rest. In the evening, I play football with my friends. Then I eat my dinner with my parents. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m. at night. These are the norms and systems for speaking about yourself and talking about yourself. Thank you very much for your patience and watching my channel and learning with me. See you again in the next video. Till then, please keep going, keep learning. Thank you, everybody.